Hey there, Russell Turner, ecosystem scientist for Wapusk National Park. Currently chatting with you from Nestor One Research Compound, one of 4 compounds in the park. Today we're on day 4 of servicing our Caribou trail cameras. So we have a network of 92 trail cameras out on the landscape to document how many caribou there are and where they're going. This work is a direct result of our Beyond Borders Caribou workshop, where we brought together Indigenous, academic, and government agencies to chat about knowledge of caribou in our park, specifically the Cape Churchill caribou herd. So we have batteries, new memory cards, some pliers and cutters, but also spare cameras. So if we go out and we find a damaged camera, we can replace it, swap out the batteries, swap out memory cards, and have all the appropriate gear to collect the right data. Here we are, part of our caribou study is on beach ridges. Caribou and other animals use these beach ridges as natural highways. It's a lot easier to walk along and migrate on a gravel beach ridge than it is walking through the fen and ponds. We have half the cameras in fen habitat and half the cameras on these beach ridges to document the differences of occurrence on each habitat type. And that's my ride! An important part of our safety plan is whenever we're in the park, we have a certified bear monitor behind me here, like Leanne. She's keeping an eye out for approaching polar bears and can warn the group when the rest of us have our head down collecting data. One of the unique things about our study is all of our cameras have to have these metal security boxes because we get a lot of curious bears that like to come up and actually bite the camera or nudge the camera and see what it is. We also collect vegetation data. So we have 1 meter quadrats placed on the ground, 10 meters in front of each camera. So we have a little bit of information of the exact vegetation at each site. And here Matthew is behind me taking photos that we can analyze later to figure out what vegetation is around each trail cam. Super excited to have all those cameras done. Hope you enjoyed our adventure today, servicing all 92 trail cameras and seeing some sights of Wapusk. We hope to continue these projects for the next 3 to 5 years, working with our partners such as USask and Manitoba Métis Federation, and to come out and enjoy beautiful days in the park like we have today.